Hi there, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use your fully to-line planner that integrates links to Google Calendar. Our planners with this new feature can be used on any device that has a PDF annotation app installed. Generally, any PDF annotation apps that work with hyperlinks, such as GoodNotes, Notability, NoteShelf, will work with this new feature. In this demo, I'll show you how this works in GoodNotes on iPad. Okay, let's go to a daily page. Let's click on any of these time slots. You'll see a pop-up message that says the link will open your Google Calendar app. So just click yes. This will open up your Google Calendar and brings you to the exact time and date of the schedule panel. You can edit the details of your event here. The default time for the notification is 30 minutes before. You can change it here if you like, or you can add another notification. Here are some tips. Tip number 1. Let's say you have a meeting at 11 a.m. on January 22nd. You can copy your handwritten notes and paste it to your Google Calendar. It will automatically convert your notes to text. Please note this trick may not work in other note-taking apps. Tip number 2, you can drag out your Google Calendar app to the slide over mode, so you don't have to switch between GoodNotes and Google Calendar. After you edit your event, you can always slide to hide it, or you can do split view if that works better for you. Tip number 3, how to schedule an all-day event. Let's say February 4th is Dad's birthday. Simply go to the daily page of that day and click on any of these time slots here to bring up the exact day on Google Calendar and turn on all day. Tip number 4, if you want to view the events you have previously scheduled on your Google Calendar from your planner, let's say I want to view the meeting I previously set on January 22nd. Let's go to that day and click on the time slot. It will not bring us to the schedule panel for the meeting, but as it will take us to the exact time and date, we can just click cancel and it will pull up January 22nd. Now we can see the meeting I set is right here. Then we can click to view it or edit it. Okay, here's what I've got for you for now about the new feature. I hope you like it. Please feel free to let me know if you think this new feature is useful or any suggestions on how to improve it. I'll see if it's possible. Thank you.